Hey guys, check your stores for these Suave hand sanitizers. They are on sale, BOGO, or 2 for regular price. 2 ounce is included. There is an extra savings flyer coupon for $1 off 2 hand sanitizers. Is the last one. It's either 2 or 10 ounce, and these are 2 ounce, so they will come out to be 39 cents for 2, which isn't a bad deal to put them in your purse. And then these would come out to be $2.59 for 2 for the larger bottles. I'm not sure if this is a clearance deal at this store and they just have it marked as a sale, because this isn't advertised. Next up, we got a great deal on these Pampers Diapers. They are on sale, buy 2 get 5 off. If you buy 2 of these Easy Ups at $9.99, comes to $14.98 after the sale. There is a $4 off 2 digital coupon, making them $10.98 for 2. Then there is a $1.50 off of 1 Ibotta rebate on the Easy Ups. Final price would be $3.99 a bag. And don't forget to submit these to Stocking Spree. They do qualify, and you receive a $10 gift card for every $50 you spend. Next up is this great deal on Colgate toothpaste, on sale 10 for 10. There is a 50-cent coupon in your Smart Source 411. It does expire 4/24, so at Publix, remember, you don't have to buy 10 to get the 10 for 10 deal. You can just buy 1, get it for $1, use the 50-cent coupon, and pay just 50 cents. Futuro wristbands are still on sale for $4.97. There's a $5 coupon, making these completely free. Palmola power packs are on sale for $8.99 a bag. I've tried these. I picked them up when they were BOGO. They work really great, and there's a $3 digital coupon, making them just $5.99 a pack. Not the most amazing deal, but for 36 packs, or 36, let's compare them. The finish is $7.09, so it's about $1 cheaper. And the finish up here, the quantum, is $8.29. And then you also got these finish on sale for $46 for $9.49. So I need dishwash detergent or dishwash tabs, so I think I'm going to pick these up. Seems like the best deal that they got out right now. Alright, next up, these all laundry detergents. I don't know, these bottles just look so small to me for $5. Alright, anyway, if you need it, let me see, how many, 42 loads for this one. That's not bad, 75% more on that one. This one's only $2. These Cowden Farms dog treats are on sale BOGO this week at $6.99. There's a $1 off 1 coupon, so if you're in a half BOGO area, you can buy 1 at $3.50. Use the $1 off 1 digital coupon and pay just $2.50 a bag. If you're in a true BOGO area, you would need to buy 2 at $6.99. Use the $1 off coupon and pay $3 a bag. These look really nice. They look like they are healthier dog treats. I haven't checked them out completely yet, but they're new at Publix. So come check them out if you've got puppies. I am excited to try this Moolah milk. It's banana milk, but it's plant-based almond milk, plant-based banana milk for the chocolate. When I was growing up, my mom used to always cover bananas in chocolate, so this sounds good to me. Anyway, just put them in the freezer, and that's what we would eat as like a snack after school. Okay, so cheaper than I thought too. The ad said that they were $5.49, but they're $4.99 here. And there's $1 off 1 coupons. There's also a $1 off 1 Ibotta rebate. And then there's a bonus on Ibotta if you purchase 2 bottles in 2 different transactions. So you would need to purchase 2 today and then 2 tomorrow, or maybe 1 today and 1 tomorrow. You have to make 2 different transactions for sure. You get a $1 bonus. So I'm going to break that down for you below. And after all the bonuses, you're going to pay less, or after all the rebates, you're going to pay less than 50 cents a piece for these. Okay, so I hear this Chobani Milk is super good, and it looks like it's really popular here. It's BOGO at $3.99. There's a $1 off one coupon in your 328SS. The coupon terms do say it is limit one coupon per person. So your store may read that as you may only use one at the register, or they may read that as you can bring a friend and use two at the register. It's completely up to your store on how they read that verbiage or understand that verbiage. All right, so for my breakdown, I'm in the half BOGO area. I'm going to buy one at $2 and use one $1 coupon from 328SS, and it's going to cost me $1. Now, if you wait until Saturday, there should be a digital coupon coming out for $2 off. You could use that digital coupon. It's coming out. It's advertised in the new extra savings flyer. So if you're in a half BOGO area, you could buy one at $2, use the digital coupon, and one would be completely free. If you're in a true BOGO area, you've got to buy two. You would use that digital coupon once. Then you could use the one insert coupon and pay 50 cents a piece. So Publix Chipotle lime sausage is on sale for $4.99 this week. This is the big 20-ounce packages of them. There is a $1 off coupon, so you would get this for $3.99 after your digital coupon. Stonyfield products are also on sale BOGO this week at $4.79. We have a $1 off digital coupon, so if you're in a half BOGO area, you could buy one at $4.29. You would buy one at $2.15. Use the digital coupon and it would come out to be $1.15. These Chobani 4-packs are BOGO this week at $3.99. There's a $1 off 2 coupon in your 328SS. Buy 2, use 1, and pay just $1.50 a 4-pack. If your sale is starting today, if you're in a Wednesday week start area, balance breaks are on sale BOGO at $3.99. There's a $2 off 2 coupon, so you get each 3-pack for $1. That $2 off 2 coupon expires today, so that's why I say only if your sale begins today, you could pick these up. Kraft barbecue sauce is BOGO this week at $1.91. It does qualify for Publix's stocking spree, so there's no coupon, but if you buy 2 and submit the stocking spree, it's $2 towards your $50 threshold. Liam Weston fries are on sale BOGO at $3.29. If you're in a half BOGO area, you can grab one, or if you're in true BOGO, you can grab 2. Tombstone pizzas are BOGO at $5.27 this week. Your Publix syrups. Now, I just walked by them and pulled this one out from the back. There's quite a few back there in the way back. Last week they were all up front, so they've stocked, I guess. But these Eggo Waffles are on sale for $2.50 this week, and there's $1 off 1 coupons on the Publix syrups in some stores. So that would make your Eggo Waffles $1.50. These Publix scallops are on sale BOGO at $8.99 this week. No coupons, but a great deal. Buying a card for somebody, specifically moms for Mother's Day, which is coming up. There is a BOGO coupon in your card department at Publix. It's for a free Hallmark item of equal or lesser value when you buy any Hallmark item. So it doesn't have to be used on cards. You could buy one card and a gift bag, or any Hallmark item that you need up to $9.99 and get the other free.